everyone, it's Louise here from Crazy Borgies. I hope you're all well and fine on this beautiful April day. Yes, so today's video I have another unboxing, and this is from a new to me company called diamondartuk. And they contacted me asking me to do an unboxing, and I said sure, that's fine, because I like to check out new companies and see what we get for our money, both value and, you know, the overall quality. I've had a look on the website. They are a more premium company, so let's have a look. Let's dive in and have a look. First and foremost, if I could ask you, if you haven't done so already, to please like, subscribe, share, and all that fabulous YouTubey stuff that we ask you to do. Okay, so first thing I noticed was that it was really well packed. I like it when they send it in these bags with the bubble wrap, because, you know, it really protects the product, which is good. So, and we have a box, yes. So it's in a bag and then a box, and it's been bubble wrapped as well. So let's dive in. I'm going to link their details in the video description box down below. So I'll put a link to the shop, and I'm also going to provide a link to this product, but they have many different options, and you can have a choice of square or round diamonds as well. So there we go. The box is in excellent condition, apart from a little rip here, but that's nothing. So just seeing, yep, it's got all of your instructions on the back. Diamond painting is a semi-finished product that requires your hands-on operation, can work with your family and friends to experience the endless fun in manufacturing process. It can develop hands-on ability and patience, yeah, and improve their understanding of colour and aesthetics. There we go. Diamond painting has a high practicality. It is the best choice for high-end places such as villas, restaurants, hotel decoration, etc. It is ideal for your collection. It is also the perfect gift to send to a friend. Yes. Okay, let's dive in. So there we go. I love colour, as you know, so I chose a very, very colourful one. Let's have a look. And I chose a round diamond. So okay, so we get the standard toolkit, there we go, which is your green boat, your pink wax and your pink pen. And this one's already come bagged up with a little inventory sheet there as well. Okay. I deliberately chose an image that I've seen, well, it's quite a popular image on quite a few different websites, just to see the difference. Okay. It does feel very thick, the canvas. And there we go, and it has 24 colours. Symbols are, they are alphabetical and numerical, or numerical and then alphabetical. There doesn't appear to be any glue overlapping the sides, or maybe just a little bit around here actually. Okay, so adhesive is good. Okay. So this is a 30 by 40 board glue canvas full drill I went for. There we go. That's helped it relax quite a little bit. There we go. So 24 colours. The drill area is very small. I think you would possibly need a light pad for it. Okay. Okay, I'm going to take you up close so you can see. Okay. Some of the numbers are really small. Like number 3 there's tiny. But then I suppose at least it's going to... you're not going to see any of the symbol around the edge. No. There you go. It's a nice clear drill area. And there's the thumbnail. We do have all the DMC codes listed nicely as well. Yes. So I'm just trying to have a look at the overall quality of this canvas now, because you know I'm quite fussy. The folds are there, but they're not too bad. It should flatten out nicely. We do have a little bit of fraying around the edge there, but overall the quality of it seems okay. It's not brilliant, it's okay, because you know one thing that I pride myself on my channel is I'm gonna give honest reviews, guys. I'm gonna say exactly what I think of the product. Even though I get gifted them, I'm still gonna say what I think. And I'm still going to say what the value and for money is, you know, because that's just what I've always done. My priority is you guys and getting the best value for your money, you know, and I'm not going to dress it up in any other way. So, yes. Let me just sort this fold out here. There. I might even have this image already before, I don't know. It does look very familiar. So let's get our tape measure and measure it. See what it's like on the size area. So overall size of the canvas is just over 40.5 centimeters. But that isn't the diamond painting area. That is the whole canvas size. So it's not a true to size image. The diamond painting area is 25.5 centimeters by, let's see, by 35 and a bit. 35.5, let's say, yeah. So it is the same as a budget friendly one, the same size, yeah. I'm not seeing, if I'm honest, much difference between this and a budget friendly so far. You know, that's my honest opinion. I'm not seeing much difference, other than we get an inventory sheet and you can choose whether you have the image in round diamonds or square diamonds. So yeah, so this would be handy for kitting up as well. You could just cut your symbols out and stick them on your little containers. And these are the colours. Okay. Lots of reds. Got a dark black there. I'm going to need that a lot. That's going to go in the background. One thing I would say though, these bags, yeah, they are pretty bog standard for your budget friendly companies as well, aren't they? These bags, they even have the same writing on them. I'm just noticing a few things, guys, if I'm honest with you, that you know, how can I put this? I have to choose my words carefully now because I don't want to upset anyone. But I'm noticing that this canvas isn't that much different from a budget friendly one, a budget friendly company. And as you guys know, I work with many budget friendly companies. And to be honest with you, I lean more towards them than I do the premium companies because of the fact that, you know, times are hard. I'm a single parent. I can't afford to spend huge amounts of money on diamond art. And to me, it would be a bit of a waste of money because obviously I've got children and I can do much more with that money and spend it on diamond paintings. However, I do appreciate that the quality is better on premium companies. Well, not necessarily better, but it's different, let's just say that. So I do appreciate that, and I can appreciate that people want to spend money on their hobby, and if they don't have any overheads, any other expenditure, it's fine, you know, if you can afford to do that. Me personally, I can't afford to do that. So overall, to me, with this canvas, it looks to me like a budget friendly canvas that is being tried to sell that they are trying to sell, or whoever's trying to sell, at a higher price, claiming that it is a higher quality canvas and a higher quality, you know, yeah. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm in two minds about this one. Do I recommend them? Well, I mean, the drill area is clear. The diamonds look fine and shiny. But, you know, toolkit is a basic toolkit. There's nothing fancy about that toolkit. We've seen them 100 times before. And yeah, I'm sitting on the fence with this one. I don't quite know. Until I start working on it, then I'll be able to say if I can recommend them or not, really. I am a little disappointed, if I'll be honest with you. I am a little bit disappointed, just because if someone's trying to charge a little bit more for diamond paintings, you sort of expect a little bit more, you know. And as I don't work with many premium companies, I thought, oh, maybe this one will be different. Maybe this one will have, you know, some nice scalloped edges, or a new improved toolkit, or something, you know. But from what I can see, there's nothing that stands out that this is a premium company. That's the way I'm going to put it. That's the way I'm going to leave it. Okay. So, you know, you can't fool me, guys, you know, because I've been doing this for many years. I know what premium looks like. I know what budget friendly looks like. And yeah, that's just the way I feel on it. You know, you can't try and tell me that this is a premium canvas, because it doesn't look it. If I'm honest, it doesn't look it. It's fraying all at the sides. Yeah. Oh, I don't know. Anyway, let me know what you think of this canvas. It is a pretty image, and yes, I really do like the picture itself, hence why I chose it, of Mr. Lion. And obviously I may change my mind once I start actually working on it. Now, this image, or this particular one, for 30 by 40, they charged £16.99 on their website. Converted to dollars, that is $21.24. So there's quite a bit of money for one this size, to be honest with you. Yeah. So yeah, make of that as you will, guys. Make of that as you will. Okay. That's how I'm going to leave my review of this one. I'm going to link it all in the video description box down below. I will give honest reviews. That's what I do on my channel. I'm not going to say something is that it isn't. And I can spot signs that, you know, I can spot the difference between a premium and a budget friendly. Okay. And that's just how I feel on the situation, you know. So anyway, please like, subscribe, share, comment down below, all that lovely YouTubey stuff. Sorry if it's been a bit of a down in the dumps one, but I am a little bit disappointed with this particular unboxing, but it is what it is, and that's why I do what I do, because, you know, as I said, my main priority is my subscribers getting value for your money, and good products, good quality products as well. Okay, so please take care of yourselves. Please check out diamondartuk and have a look, see what they've got. They haven't given me a discount code or anything like that, and yeah, it did take quite some time to come to me as well. This one did take, I think it was about 15 days, to be honest with you. Something like that. So anyway, take care, God bless, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye for now, guys. Bye.